Hello everyone, welcome to the final section. In this section, we're going to learn how to insert watermark. Watermarks are often used to mark the company name and logo of the document, so how to add watermarks to document. Find watermark in the Insert tab. WPS provides common watermarks, which can be inserted with one click. To delete the added watermark, click Watermark, Remove Watermark and Document. To customize the watermark, click Add. In the pop-up window, you can choose Picture Watermark and Text Watermark. The method of setting picture watermark is as follows. First, check Picture Watermark. Upload a picture and set its size and arrangement. Click OK. The text watermark can set the content and style. The setting steps are the same as the picture watermark. After setting, click the watermark again to use it. Right-click the watermark to edit it again. You can select the application range of the watermark. This is the end of this section. Thank you.